Good morning to everyone. Today we are here to study the remaining topic of chapter 14 of GSC. Lastly we were studying about the same chapter and today we will continue with the new topic of this same chapter. The name of the chapter is the solar system and in that we have studied up to rotation and today we will start with the revolution. Let's start studying about the revolution. If we talk in simple language, what is revolution? What will be the answer? Revolution is nothing but the movement of the earth around the sun on its orbit. What is that? Movement of the earth. Movement of the earth round the sun or around the sun on its orbit. On its orbit is called the revolution. We know that the sun is at the center of the earth and all the planets revolve round it. So, earth does the same thing and the movement of the earth around the sun on its orbit is called the revolution. The earth takes 365 days and 6 hours. 365 days and 6 hours to complete one revolution round the sun. Clear? This is about the revolution. Now we will study about the equator. What is equator? Equator is an imaginary line, imaginary dotted line, which we can see at the center of the earth. Means equator is an imaginary line dividing the earth into two equal parts. How many equal parts? Two equal parts. And the upper half is called the northern hemisphere. Northern hemisphere. And the lower half is called the southern hemisphere. Lower half is called the southern hemisphere. Lower half is called the southern hemisphere. Upper half is called the northern hemisphere. Both the hemispheres of the earth are opposite to each other. This is about the revolution and the equator. Now we will study about the seasons and what are the four seasons. Means what are the differences. We are going to study about it and how does the seasons occur. First question is, how does the seasons occur? We know that the earth moves around the sun and in doing so it completes its one movement round the sun or revolution round the sun in 365 days and 6 hours. And we know one more fact that earth is slightly tilted to its position at an angle of 23.5 degree. And the tilt of earth causes the sun's rays to fall more directly on either the northern hemisphere or the southern hemisphere depending on the position of the earth. Depending on the position of the earth, means we know that the earth is moving around the sun and it is slightly tilted to its position. So when it moves, where it directly on either of the hemisphere of the earth, and each hemisphere of the earth remains nearer the sun for about 6 months. For how many months? For 6 months. The part tilted towards the sun has hot seasons and other part has cold season. In other words, when northern hemisphere has summer, the southern hemisphere has winter. Again, after 6 months, the position of the earth changes, and now the half which had summer now has winter, and the half which had winter now has summer. In between the summer and winter means first which season comes? Summer. After between the summer and winter, there is autumn season. Which season? Autumn season. And between the winter and summer, there is a spring season. Which season? Spring season. Summer, then autumn, then winter, then spring. Summer, autumn, winter, and spring. In June, India and all other countries in northern part of the earth have summer, while the countries which are in the southern part of the earth, including Australia, has winter. Similarly, in December we have winter and southern part of earth has summer. In March we have spring season, they have autumn season. In September, when it is autumn in our country or in the northern part of the earth, southern part of the earth is having the spring season. Thus we have 4 seasons in all that occur in a never-ending cycle. Means year after year the seasons repeat. Summer, autumn, winter and spring. Summer, autumn, winter and spring. These are the 4 seasons. And one thing we have to keep in our mind, that in the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere, seasons are opposite to each other. We have seasons because the earth is tilted as it makes its revolution around the sun. This is about the chapter. Now we need to discuss the exercise of the book. Here it said, I will send the PDF, and in that PDF this exercise will also be there. You can match your answers, but all the books exercise will be discussed here. Exercise A is fill in the blanks. We will discuss first this exercise. All of you get ready with the book. Take page number 90. Take the pencil in hand and let's do this exercise. First question is, a planet revolves around the sun along its dash. So the answer here is orbit. Along its orbit or path. Along its orbit or path. Question number 2. The dash is also called the evening or morning star. And the answer is Venus. Venus is also called the evening or morning star. Question number 3. Axis of Earth is an dashed line. So the answer is imaginary line. Axis of Earth is an imaginary line. Axis of the Earth is an imaginary line. Question number 4. The Earth completes about its axis in about dash. So the answer is 24 hours. It's complete one rotation in 24 hours. Now question number 5. Question number 5 is the earth takes 365 days and dash hours to complete one revolution around the sun. So the answer is 6. 6 hours to complete one revolution. 365 days and 6 hours to complete one revolution around the sun. Now question number 6. In June, the northern part of the earth has dash, but southern part has dash. So the answer is northern part of the earth has summer, but the southern part of the earth has winter. Winter. Summer and winter is the answer. I will read the answer one more time, and by the time you have to match it. First answer is orbit or path. Second answer is Venus. Third answer is imaginary. Fourth answer is 24 hours. Fifth answer is 6. And the sixth answer is summer and winter. We have 2 blanks in this question. Now question number B. Pick the right answer. First question is, it is at the center of our solar system. Dash. We have 3 options. Sun, Earth, Moon. Which is at the center of our solar system? Sun. First option is correct. Sun is the correct answer for this question. Question number 2. It is the smallest planet in the solar system. We have 3 options. Jupiter, Mercury and Venus. Jupiter, Mercury and Venus. Second option is correct here. Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system. Question number 3. This planet has rings around it. We have 3 options. Neptune, Uranus, Saturn. And this Saturn is the correct answer. S-A-T-U-R-N. Now question number 4. Moon has big holes called dash. We have 3 options again. Pole, equator and craters. Here last option is correct. Craters. Craters is the correct answer. Now question number 5. Its hemisphere of the earth remains near the sun for about dash. First option 6 months, 4 months and 8 months. First option is correct. 6 months is the correct answer. This is about the exercise 2. Exercise 3 is solve the crossword. This is your homework. All the answers are given in the book. This is interesting also. You do it. Okay. I will tell the answers orally. The imaginary line dividing the earth into 2 hemispheres. What is that? Equator. Then one question is given, the largest planet. Which one is the largest planet in the solar system? Jupiter. Then the third question is patterns of this is the patterns of the stars appearing in the night sky. And the answer is constellation. This is given in more to know. Constellation. I will give the answer, you have to write in that. That will be better. I will give this answer also. Just you have to write in that boxes. I am not going to make the boxes. You have to fill in that boxes. This is for the across now. First answer is equator. Question number 4. Question number 4 is the planet having life on it. This is Earth. Now you have to do down. Fifth answer is, what is fifth question? Fifth question is the planet farthest from the sun. Which planet is farthest from the sun? Which one is the farthest from the sun? Neptune, no? So the answer will be Neptune here. Now the sixth answer is first Indian man-made satellite. This is asking about the first Indian man-made satellite, and the answer is Aryabhat. What is that? Aryabhat. Aryabhat. Aryabhat is the first Indian man-made satellite. Aryabhat. Now a dwarf planet is Pluto. Now the last answer, the natural satellite of the Earth, and the answer is Moon. You have to fill in that boxes. Down means from top to bottom, across means this side. Where it is written across, you have to write that side, and where it is written down, you have to write up to down. Now, exercise D, match the following. I will write these answers. Earth. For the first question, Earth is what? Planet. Earth is planet. Question number 2. Sun. Sun is what? Star. Sun is star. Now question number 3. Question number 3 is what? Moon. Moon is what? Satellite of the Earth, or natural satellite of the Earth. Question number 4. Revolution. And due to this revolution, seasons occur. Due to this revolution, seasons occur. Question number 5 is rotation. And due to rotation, what happens? Day and night is caused. So the last matching is day and night. This is about the exercise of the book. And give reasons, question answer you can complete from the PDF which I will send. Okay. This is about the chapter. Revise it and complete. Okay. Thank you class.